Welcome back to Villa Familia, everybody. It is week 36 of this project. So we are gonna start using weeks to describe where our projects are at in the process instead of the date, because that way this stuff just stands the test of time and you can come back and know where a project was. So we are week 36. We are so close to being ready to pass framing inspection and start insulating. Right now, we've got our carpenters on site getting the rear deck and balcony framed up. So we're gonna go check out the progress that they're making on that. We're actually taking a pretty slick time lapse of that as well. So really looking forward to sharing that with you in a future video. Let's stop talking about what's going on and go check it out. Come on, let's go. Well, I guess if you wanna make sure something stays protected, this is a good way to do it. Put it in a temporary office and put stay away expensive. Works for me. Okay, so we talked about this last time we were on site. We had our forming carpenter getting this form set up. So can strip is a triangular piece of wood, right? And it's just basically a 1x1 that's cut in half on the diagonal. And so that piece of wood gets mounted like that. Acts both as support strip, but it also adds a really nice finishing detail to the wall. So you don't have a hard edge or a rounded over edge. You have like a nice diagonal edge on the top of your, in this case, retaining walls, right? So very nice detail. We just have to get it done on this side over here still, and down here as well, I'm assuming. Because as we talked about last time, right, there's gonna be stairs going up the middle. These two pieces of 2x4 here are horizontal whalers. And then these vertical pieces of 2x4, I was taught that they're called strongbacks. I don't know if you call them something else, but I've always called them strongbacks. And the reason you have those here, we don't have any bracing done yet. This isn't ready for concrete yet, but these strongbacks allow you to move this wall in and out and make sure that you get it plumb. So all you got to do is plumb up one side, and then the concrete will do the rest to the other side and keep everything straight. All of this wood here helps to make sure the pressure of the concrete when it gets poured in doesn't expand out. So very, very important to make sure you get that done right. That's a wrap on today, everybody. Thank you so much for watching and seeing this video the whole way through. If you would like to learn more about how we can help you with your second story addition, or you maybe just want to renovate your kitchen, whatever you're thinking about, we'd love to help you. You can reach us on our phone number here or on our website here and book a call at a time that works for you. In the meantime, I'd really appreciate it if you like and subscribe the video. And as I always say, stay awesome. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye now.